Hello and welcome to Zen Budgets. My name is Tapasya, and in today's video I'll be going over my budget for the month of November. So let's just dive right in. Alright, so for the month of November, my income is $1,042. And I have all of my expenses for this month divided up into 4 separate categories. I have my variable expenses such as food and gas. I have my fixed expenses, which includes things like my storage rent and my hosting fees for my websites. And then I have my sinking funds. These are specifically my short-term sinking funds. And then finally, I have these two expenses which go into my wallet and car, which is giving and miscellaneous. So for these variable expenses, I either pay these with my credit card or my debit card. If I pay them with my credit card, then at the end of the month I pay off my balance in full. So for food, I decided to give myself $150, for gas $100, and this amount is pretty large because I intend on doing a big road trip this month, so that's what that extra money is for. And then toiletries $25, my kittens $300, and spending I'm giving myself $35, and in total this comes out to $610. And for my fixed expenses, I have my storage, $111. I did actually receive a notice in the mail telling me that my rent is about to go up to, I believe, $136. So I will have to make an adjustment here. Next month onwards, the rent will be higher. And then for my back taxes, it's my usual $50. Hosting gets my usual $7. Spotify and Hulu $5 with the student discount, and Netflix gets $9. And this comes out to $182. Next up, I have my sinking funds. These are my short-term sinking funds. For beauty, I'm giving myself $15, birthday $20, business $20, Christmas $20, clothing $10, gifts is fully funded already, and I believe it has $50 left in it, so that should be more than good enough for the remainder of the year. And then health gets $50, phone gets $35, and kittens gets $45. Finally, I have giving and miscellaneous. Giving will get the usual $15 and miscellaneous the usual $20 for a total of $35. So out of all of this, what I'll be withdrawing in cash is my sinking fund money, and then these two categories, so the $35 and $215, for a total of $250. So for miscellaneous, I've decided that at the end of the month, if I have anything left over in miscellaneous, then I will put that into my sinking funds. And I've also decided that if I have any money left over in the giving category, I'm going to roll that over every month. So let me quickly show you. So I've decided to put all the giving money in this cash envelope. And right now this has $25, I believe, and this is just rolled over money from previous months. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll over any money left in the giving category, and once I have a certain amount, like maybe $50 or $100, I'm going to go ahead and donate that to a cause that I care about. So that's the plan for the giving money. I am still working on optimizing my kittens expense because this is quite a bit, but I just don't see as of now how I can possibly cut any corners here because kitten food is very expensive, and I also feed my cats a wet food only diet, which is supposed to be the healthiest, and wet food is really expensive. I'm trying, I'm working on it, and hopefully one of these days I'll be able to budget a little bit less for that. That is pretty much a wrap on my November budget. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video, which will be a cash envelope stuffing video for the month of November. Thank you, bye!